Let's see if the viral... Let's see if the viral Fenty Beauty skin tint is exactly what they say. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be tanned, okay? Oh. Okay, don't put too much. SPF 50, and I even changed my skin color. We are blending. We are blending. I think I blended it. It is light coverage to make your skin more even tone, which it definitely did. Also comes with a little powder. If you are a little bit shinier than you would like, you can go ahead with the powder and calm down the dewiness, but I put so much so it looks good without the powder.